Welcome back to English Stories. Do you know all the common verbs used daily? Let's find out together. There will be a quiz at the end of the lesson to taste your knowledge. So watch the video until the end. Wake. Wake. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Brush. Brush. She brushes her teeth twice a day. Eat. Eat. We eat breakfast together in the morning. Drink. Drink. He drinks coffee before work. Walk. Walk. They walk to school every morning. Run. Run. She runs in the park every weekend. Work. Work. I work from home on Mondays. Study. Study. She studies English every evening. Read. Read. He reads a book before bed. Write. Write. I write notes in my notebook. Speak. Speak. They speak English fluently. Listen. Listen. She listens to music while working. Watch. Watch. We watch TV after dinner. Cook. Cook. My mom cooks dinner every night. Clean. Clean. I clean my room every Saturday. Drive. Drive. He drives to the office daily. Shop. Shop. We shop for groceries on Sundays. Play. Play. The children play in the garden after school. Exercise. Exercise. I exercise at the gym 3 times a week. Sleep. Sleep. She sleeps early on weekdays. Time to test your knowledge. You have 5 seconds for each question.